What is going on, traders? I hope you guys crushed it today. Myself in the Discord definitely did, guys. I ended up making $2,500 in my options account, and I ended up with $875 in 10 accounts for my future. So I'm going to be going over what trades we ended up taking today, as well as I'm going to prepare you guys to trade the best setups at the best prices for tomorrow and moving forward. Let's get into it. So first things first, guys, I ended up taking 4 trades today. I'm going to show you which ones. First one, this is the 5-minute time frame. This key level, 486.96, 487. This is the level I told you guys about yesterday. This is the reason why we made it a big line in yesterday's video. This was the previous support of yesterday. Previous support, we made it into a resistance, and we ended up having a big sell-off. Today, we ended up gapping up. As soon as we came back down to this level, guys, I alerted calls literally at the bottom because it was a previous support, turned into a resistance. We gapped up. We came back down to it, which means 8 out of 10 times it's going to remake it a support because the pre-market was so bullish. So as soon as we came and we broke under 487, I got 486 calls, guys, and these printed immensely. The next trade I ended up taking was 488 puts. Why did I get 488 puts? I'm going to show you. 488 was the pre-market of yesterday's resistance. Once we made it support, we had big upside potential. This was a support here, resistance here. Again, once we make it a clear support, we have upside potential. And as soon as we use it as a rejection, big sell-off, okay? This line right here, 487.87 from yesterday. We broke through this candle. I ended up buying right here. As soon as we broke over it, I ended up getting 487 or 488 puts, guys. We ended up going a little bit higher. I waited for the candle to close. Once I saw this weakness, I ended up doubling down my position. I hit this with 150 contracts, guys, and sold this move. I probably sold right here for over $1,500 win in just this move. I didn't hold. I didn't care because I made a lot of money. So the next trade I ended up getting into was puts at 487.23. Again, this was the previous support of today, previous support in the pre-market. We broke through this level. We came back up. This candle ended very weak. I waited for the next candle to come up. I hit it again. This line right here is the 50 moving average on the 5-minute. Add this line to your chart, please. Got the puts here, guys. Obviously sold the move. I did not catch this whole move. I sold in this first red bar and ended up making bank on that. The last trade, I ended up alerting to the Discord live. We ended up having a masterclass today. Dimitri and Gundy were speaking. I went into team discussion in the Discord, and this was known as something called the gap close reversal. We ended up buying calls where SPY previously closed at yesterday. And we also had a major key level at 485.50. I literally bottom ticked the low of the day today. I ended up getting 485 calls, guys, and we sold them in the money. And these ended up going extremely deep in the money. We bought the low of day. If you would have bought in where we bought in, where I alerted it, your stop loss was a new low of day. That's how easy it was. That's how easy that trade was. I'm kind of kicking myself because I didn't hold any runners, but you can't get greedy, right? Greed kills in the long run, guys. This is why I'm programmed to take profits extremely quickly, because I've been burned way too many times being green, thinking a bigger move is going to happen and end up stopping out for a red and a loss. So this is why I'm programmed. I'm buying the best levels possible, but I'm sizing in so heavy that I don't have to wait for the move. I told everyone right here, my price target's 486. These went extremely deep in the money. So that's what I ended up doing today. What are we going to do for tomorrow? Well, this is pretty easy. So this is exactly how I'm going to be playing this, because we have a nice wick in the pre-market. The easiest thing to do, guys, is we're going to highlight the resistance from today. I'm going to take this candle right here, okay? 488.12. Let's make this a nice big level so we know. Of course, it can still come up here, guys. It could still come up there to yesterday's highs, but this is what we're watching right now, because this was the previous resistance all day. We gap up. We come back down to 488.12. I'm hitting calls, and I'm going to ride this to where can this go? Potentially, this can go to the high of yesterday. So I don't like doing the exact high. I like doing where the candles meet, okay? So this next key level is 488.73. Let's go ahead and make this a little bit bigger too, so we know that if we're buying 488.12, this is where we have to sell because it is a previous known resistance. After this level, guys, we will be at all-time highs again. I'm not trading. I'll wait for a pullback, or I'm going to wait for a rejection of 488.73. Bearish case scenario. Let's see what we're going to do for the bearish case scenario. So the previous support all day, guys, was 487, 486.96. This was the support all day yesterday. We gapped down. I'm hitting 487 puts. I'm going to bring them deep in the money on this trade if we end up gapping down. That is the trade. I have 2 trades that are pre-planned. Even though we are trading near all-time highs, those are the best setups at the best prices moving forward until tomorrow. I'm going to be live streaming Monday to Friday, guys, 9 a.m. Tomorrow, listen, if you are not in the Discord, I'm live streaming all day for free on YouTube. Dimitri's going to be with me. Gundy's going to be with me. We are going to be trading live with you guys for the day. When I say for the day, market open until I'm done for the day, okay? Usually 11 o'clock. May come back on later in the day, but we usually, my bread and butter is the first 30 minutes of market open, guys. So we usually print before that, 10:30 max, and I call it a day. So if you'd like to be a part of that, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I will be live all day tomorrow for market open. We have a 5-day free trial that has not ended yet. If you'd like to take advantage of it, guys, link is in the bio. Thank you guys for your support. I appreciate it. And tomorrow we're going to crush it. End the week nice and strong. Take care, everyone.